is on the mic.
Oh, girl, are you serious? What is she doing?
You fucking go, girl.
Bad bitch. Bad bitch. Main bitch.
She is a main bitch.
Bad bitch energy. Why y'all bitches staying fucking pressed? Fuck, these hoes are always looking like a goddamn mess. Y'all switching up code and switching up sides. For a bitch you try to ditch, bitch, and connive. Damn right I'm pulling up on stop signs, cause you bitches don't even know how to ride or die. Quit playing, bitch, you care about this slip and slide on the same dick you had come inside. Bad bitch energy. Bad bitch energy. Bad bitch energy. You fucked with the main bitch energy. Fuck bitch energy, energy. Bad bitch energy, energy. Don't fuck with the main energy. That's bitch energy. Main bitch energy, energy. Fuck bitch energy, energy. Now I'm motherfucking pressed. Yes, I am. Let me tell you about a man that I know. And don't tell me that you weren't fucking told. You're about to get exposed for fucking with the hoes on your motherfucking payroll. Now it's come time to pay your toll, because you just fucked with the wrong hoe. Let me tell you one time, Momo, you ain't fucking around no more. Damn, I really can't say bad bitch. Bad bitch. Bad bitch. Bad bitch energy. Bad bitch energy. Fucking with the wrong. Fuck bitch energy. Don't play with me, fucking energy. Main bitch energy, energy. Keep playing. Main bitch. I got enough time. Fuck bitch. That's bitch. Yes. Bitch, are you done? No. All you bitches aren't sick and tired of fucking talking shit. All this motherfucking shit about each other. Dealing with men that don't know what to do, cause they ain't got a motherfucking clue. They're not. I'm talking to my prideful bitches, all my egotistical bitches, all my Latina bitches, all my fucking bad bitches, all my fucking rich bitches. Girl, let's go. Fuck, I'm out. She gave up. Yeah, but you fell for it, girl. Girl. Oh, bitch. You see what I'm talking about?
She just said.
Don't let them get you out of your bad bitch energy, honey.